Right. Okay, hey guys, what's up? It's Stephen Dunn and Megan with CORE Therapy and Pilates today, and what we're going to do is go over a little tutorial on how to set up your mind-body account so that you can pay online, you can schedule online, and you can do all of that stuff. We get asked this all the time, and we decided it was time to put a little video together to make it easy. So with that said, Megan's going to take it over, and we've got the camera set up right here on the computer screen, and we'll be rocking and rolling. So with that said, Megan, take it over.
Hey guys, so I just want to show you how you can get online and you can schedule your classes, you can purchase your classes, all through the Mind Body app. And we can get to the Mind Body app from our website. So if you just type in therapyandpilates.com, it'll pull you up to the website. And then we're going to go into classes over here on the right hand side and go down to scheduling. When you open this up, this will be the screen that shows, and it's going to show you all of the classes that we have available for the rest of the week. So you'll see that we still have an 11 a.m. and a 12 p.m. that you can still sign up for now. You're going to want to log in using the email address that we have on file. So I'm going to go ahead and type in our login so we can open this up. All right, so there we go. Now we're logged in. So if I wanted to join this 11 a.m. gyro class, I would click on the tab that says Sign Up Now. And you open that up and it's going to give you two different options. So the first option is to make a single reservation for the class. And if we want to just enroll in this one class, you'll click on Make a Single Reservation. And it's going to ask you how you want to do the purchasing for this. So we can either buy it as a 10-pack or we can buy it individually. Most people are probably going to buy it individually if they're just signing up online. So then you'll click on that bottom individual reformer class, and it's going to pull up your shopping cart. And you'll just go in, click checkout, and then it's going to ask for your credit card information. If you have a package already, then you'll just go in and sign up, and it should just pull it from that package. You shouldn't have to go to this screen. So we've gone through the classes, and this is going to be the teacher on the side, and if there is any substitutions for the teacher, it's going to show in red. And then if you want to schedule an appointment for a private training session, you'll go in under appointments, and you get to decide which session you'd like. So we've got apprentice, we've got a regular private personal training, and then we've got a private with a master trainer. And you get to choose your instructor, what day and times that you would like to come in so you can see what's available, and search, and it'll bring that up. And now I just hit everybody, so it's going to bring up availability for all of our people. And then if you go into My Info, this is where you can update info. So your personal information, you can change your username, you can change your password. If you move, you can come in and change your address, and it'll reflect as such in our system when we log in. Then it'll also ask you how you want to receive notifications and reminders from us. So balance things. If you want your account, we can email and text reminders about scheduling, and any of those changes you can choose the email option or the text option. Same with news and promos. Then you can add billing information if you want to keep a credit card stored on file with us. And then you can, under My Info, you can go to your schedule. You can see what your schedule looks like. This is like a visit history. So the times that you have been to us and your purchases. And then if we go to the online store, this isn't one that's going to be used a whole lot, this products tab, but you can go in and you can purchase series and memberships, okay? So if you're wanting a 10-pack of private sessions, you can purchase it through the classes screen, or you can also purchase it through this screen. If you want to purchase a package membership, Reformer Gyro Tower class, and then again you get that same option of a 10-pack or an individual pack. You can make a payment on your account from this screen as well. And if you've got anything standing out there, you can go in and you'll be able to pick which thing you want to apply the payment for. And then we've got another one, which is package memberships with like PT and fitness classes combined. So we do have a couple of those in there. And I think that is everything that we have. And so then if you want to also, going back, if you want to look at what next week's class schedule is going to look like, you'll just hit the week tab and it'll pull up next week and all the classes that are available. If you do not see this sign up now tab, the class is going to be full. So all these are showing that is available. And if you have any questions, please comment below and we'll get back to you. Otherwise, thanks and have a great day.
All right, guys, we'll see y'all soon, and we'll see y'all on Mind Body. Take care, guys.